How to call on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Roblox application on your device over here, make sure that you're logged into your account, and after logging into your account, what you can simply do is tap on the friends list over here. As you do that, tap on any of your friend over here and then tap on the chat option. Now as you tap on chat, here you can just tap on the message box and you can see you can only write something over here and you can send the message, but you do not have the option to call. So we're going to go back and check if we have any updates over here. So let us tap on the home screen over here and tap on Play Store and check if we have the latest version of Roblox. So as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version, and under the latest version of Roblox we do not have the option to call, so it means we cannot call on Roblox as for now. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.